Welcome back, book buddies. Today we are going to read another book from the Maisy Advent Calendar. Let's go. Let's open day 8. Maisy goes on a nature walk. Day 8. Maisy goes on a nature walk. Today Maisy and her friends are going on a nature walk. Maisy packs her bag. Hooray! All ready to go. Everybody meets at the park entrance. I'm so excited, says Tallulah. Me too, agrees Maisy. First, they visit the pond. There are so many animals and plants living there. We've got ducks, quack, quack. We've got snails. We have birds, dragonflies, butterflies, and lots of flowers. All beautiful. Oh, there's a kingfisher. Charley crouches down to get a closer look. Hello, tadpoles. Hello, fish. Hello, dragonfly. There's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, look at all them. Hello, tadpoles. Hello, fish. Hello, dragonfly. And there's a turtle, and then there's a snail, and a ladybug or a ladybird, and bees. Oh, lots of animals, lots of bugs. The animals who live in the woods are very shy. Who can you see? I can see a rabbit and deer and a fox and a crocodile, a squirrel, an elephant, a mouse, and a chicken. There are chirping noises up in the trees. Cheep, cheep, tweet, tweet. Maisy spots a bird and her chicks. There's the chicks, and there's a bird in her nest, and an owl, and a hedgehog. Maisy looks for mini beasts hiding under logs and in the leaves. The ants are very busy. Look at all the bugs. I've got caterpillars, I've got worms and slugs and beetles, and there's all the ants being very, very busy. And look who's on Maisy's tail. That cheeky ladybird. The next stop is the wildflower garden. What's that buzzing sound? The bees are busy making honey. Buzz, 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 buzz. And that's all the bees. They're going to get nectar from the flowers and bring it back to make honey in their hive. Using a magnifying glass, Cyril looks at the tiny creatures living by the flowers. There's more bugs, and there's some spiders, and there's their web. Eddie finds perfect tree to build a den. Maisy and Cyril collect little twigs. Charley looks for branches and sticks. Tallulah picks daisies for a special surprise. What a marvellous den! Marvellous! Surprise, says Tallulah. She has made everyone lovely flower crowns. Thank you, Tallulah. Look at that beautiful flower crowns made of daisies. What a wonderful day exploring outside. I love the park, says Maisy. The end. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.